The details, isn't it? So it is one, we use it at P4. There is a time we were having a project in northern Uganda, so there are particular guys who we didn't want to come to school. So in P4, we brought a hat to say, this is how a hat looks like. Then we open and say, in P6, we are going to see these things inside. So a girl, after studying the hat in P6, left school. Then I was waiting to look at what is inside the one they had. They said, but then you have not studied others. But convince her, I said, I mean, I wanted to know the hat. So the hat is here. The hat is also there. So the hat is also there. So in P4, we look at the hat. Then when we come to P6, we open it and we come to the details. And of course, this and this one, there is a way they connect. And now these things are going to help us. They have already designed the competence-based curriculum for primary, the one similar to the one of secondary. So we are now waiting. So these things are going to be helping us because we are now starting to align. By the time curriculum comes, for us we'll just be aligning documents, assessment documents, but the methodology will be in line. Okay, so there are very many other things. You'll find there the marrow, you'll find there the lungs, the skin, the kidney, the sets of teeth, the skeleton, the microscope, the ear, the femur, all of them, they are in here. Maybe let me give deputy this one. He looks at the heart. I was at Namugongo Girls, I was giving it. Then the lady said, mine was broken. Maybe this one will help. This one will not help you, madam. This one will not help. This one is for teaching. So that's why you have like this is a female. So P6, they always ask a lot of questions and then you hustle around. Sometimes the chat does not help you. So we are going to, when we are training, we see. Then when the teachers are teaching, they say, but I have seen my runners are now excited. But now I want more comprehension. I say, aha, now how can I help add on comprehension? That's why I was saying that when you get a kit, we enter into a partnership. I'm not selling a desk or a bucket to drop and go. It is something to improve learning, which means we continuously have engagements on making sure that runners are improving, teachers are improving, and parents are seeing the results. That's basically. So there are very many there. The microscope is also down there in white. So that one now I can't open up, but when we are comforting, we open, we even see some things, we can say which part of the plant do we see, we use see. Those are the things we are going to do. So that is the summary. Okay. And I think this is the number you have been calling. So it is always there. And this kit is now, you are now the 6 school past 30,000 schools using the kit. So almost, it means every kilometer you move, you find the school with the kit. Yeah, so basically that is the summary of what we have brought today. So someone was saying, but this one can be trained in 2 hours. I said now, if people start asking questions, if we start, remember when we are